Hello, 1.4 is talking about quadratic equations and applications. We will see about factoring and different types of factoring. Okay. First, let's talk what is a quadratic equation. The quadratic equation is an equation that can be written in the general form of ax squared plus bx plus c equals to what? 0, where you have a, b, and c are real numbers. They must be real numbers, and a cannot be 0. A must be different from 0. Or you can say that a quadratic equation it's a second degree polynomial equation of x, because it's a second degree here. Okay, so now let's see the different types of factoring. Okay, first, solving the quadratic equation by factoring method. Let's have an example. Okay, this is our first example. It's saying 2x squared plus 9x plus 7 equals to 3. This equation must equal to 0, so bring the 3 back. It will be here minus 3 equals to 0. I will subtract 7 minus 3 will have 4. Now this is a non-simple quadratic equation that you can solve it using this method. Factorize the 2x squared, you'll have here 2x and 1x. When you factorize the 4, you can have 1 and 4. If you multiply 2x times 4, you'll have 8x, and 1 times x, you'll have 1x. When you add it, you'll get 9x, the middle term that I'm looking for. So the factorization for this one will be 2x plus 1, and here x plus 4 equals to 0. Now we'll go to the other point, where you'll have an either or. To find the roots here, either 2x plus 1 equals to 0, or x plus 4 equals to 0. Now find the value of x by bringing 1 back. It will be 2x equals to negative 1. Divide both sides by 2, so that you'll find the value of x equals to negative half. And here x, take the 4 back, x will equal to what? Negative 4. So here you have two different solutions. X is negative half, or x is negative 4. Let's have another example. Here let's say that you have 6x squared minus 3x equals to 0. Here you can take out the common factor, which is 3x. Here you'll be left with 2x minus, here you'll have just 1 equals to what? 0. Again, here you'll go to the either or. Either 3x equals to 0, or 2x minus 1 equals to 0. Here, if you divide both sides by 3, the value of x will be, of course, 0. And here, take the 1 back. You'll have 2x equals to positive 1. Divide both sides by 2. The value of x will be half. So the solutions here are x equals to 0, or x equals to half. Okay, now we'll see another method of solving quadratic equations, which is extracting square roots. Let's have some examples here. So the first question is saying for x squared equals to 12. First you can divide both sides by 4. So x squared will be 3. Now here, to get rid of this squared, you have to put roots. So this will be cancelled out, so x will be positive or negative of root 3. Okay, another example. Here it says x minus 3 squared equals to 7. So to get rid of this square, again you put root for both sides. This square will be cancelled out with this root, so you'll have here x minus 3 equals to plus or minus 7. Now to make x by itself, what you can do is take the 3 back. So x equals to 3 plus or minus root 7. Don't forget, here it will be positive 3 because here it was negative. When I change the place, it will be positive. So this will be our final answer.